Coming down from 4,600 meters above, I encountered problems of drunk, oxygen, and sleepiness. Now I'm alright. Talk about some of the gears designed by Jumperhome Studio, which is used in the trip. First, two prototypes designed with the concept of RAFT, real-time adjustment for fluctuating temperature, Cuben rain pants, and inflatable vest. Cuben rain pants, changing from set open shorts, most efficient for heat dissipation, to fully enclosed pants, most efficient for heat preservation, real-time and stepless regulation of body temperature to stay comfortable and dry. The vest also realizes stepless regulation in real time by the amount of inflation, whether you are resting or walking at the top or bottom of a mountain, in the morning or at noon. Your body can maintain a comfortable temperature. The test results are excellent. Crossing Lake Dalongco, a 750 grams LWD replica boat was used. The prototype is from Climate. It is very light, but has defects in tracking and handling. The updated version will solve these problems. The carbon fiber ultralight propeller is 370 grams, 1.85 meters long, and can reach the standard length of 2.2 meters with an extension rod. It can also be used to support meditants. DCF Mountain House 1.5 people made 2021 version is the latest tent design. The space size can be used by 2 people. You can choose 4-in-1 as ground clothes, feather plus trekking poles, and 81 grams of ultralight gauze inner tent to match it. The gray-green color mixing is 6 people made called UniJoy, 2 meters high, and the light gray color of DCF tents are Mountain House 4 people and 2 people. All-purpose sleeping bag can be used as a quilt. Mommy sleeping bag can also be used with hammocks. Also replace thick down clothes as a camp warm use. The new roll opening pack is a combination of ice pack and hybrid Cuben, fully waterproof with a kangaroo compartment. It can be used as a small backpack alone or as an attached bag connected to the main bag to provide an additional 25 liters. The mini backpack system, 55 liters, called Master, is also completely waterproof with less than 1,000 grams. In this trip, the actual total load is more than 20 kilograms, but an easy task for mini system. DCF 4-in-1 is used as a ground cloth for tents and also as a coat for ventilation and rain protection in this mission. If necessary, it can transform into a hammock or a tarp. Feather Plus reinforced trekking poles are only 150 grams each, but suitable for walking assistance with a total weight more than 100 kilograms. Moreover, each 145 centimeters in length, it can provide a support for the meditant without any additional accessories. Telemat, a prototype retractable sleeping mat, offers less weight and packing volume, while greater thickness makes it more comfortable and warm. Thank you for watching. I will be with you every step, hoping Jumperhome Studio can help you. Thanks. Please feel free to leave a message